Today we are donating 84 bikes. We have a Medal of Honor Society where we donate throughout our whole company. We have a Build the Bike committee, and they do this every year. And we chose Davidson Elementary School, specifically the second grade class, to all receive brand new bikes and helmets to start their summer off. My daughter works at the North Kansas City School District, so she helped me select a school, and Davidson Elementary was picked. I've been looking forward to this day. I mean, we physically built these bikes out of the boxes. We've had them all physically inspected. We had a bike company come out and donate their time and inspect each and every bike. And I just can't wait to see the kids' surprise.
We're gonna help get your summer rolling with a special surprise. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Are you sure?
Yeah!
All right, second grade teachers, move it.
It was hard keeping a surprise, but seeing the joy on their faces and their reactions, and it was amazing. Parents have reached out saying like what a blessing it was to be able to get their bikes, the confidence to be able to ride around the neighborhood and to interact with their friends. It'll open up the door to lots of opportunities. I think it's a privilege to be able to help kids and have companies that are willing to help schools provide these opportunities. And so I'm just so thankful to Hercules Industries for reaching out, and I'm very thankful that we can do that on behalf of them.